Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Good morning. Monday na naman, another week. Yes, good morning po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 11:58 a.m. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy. Ay, meron na naman kaming snow dito. But it's good. It's -7. Oh my goodness. It's talagang super lamig na naman. Super lamig na naman ang ating ang panahon dito sa Ontario, Canada. Unlike, most of the province maybe. But anyhow, dito sa amin is super lamig. Yes. Yes, so good morning. Si Tita po ito, and I know I am broadcasting from my business page, which is Tita Vargas D. Shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat, at mapabago man kayo or mapaluma, I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you engaging into my posts, sharing into my posts. So maraming salamat. So anyhow, another week, but of course, magdaan muna tayo sa weekend, di ba? And I had a powerful weekend talaga. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga takeaways ko na nakuha ko from two of our very successful ladies, mommies in our business community. Oh my God, grabe! It was such a powerful weekend talaga. Saturday, you guys know na, yung nagpa-follow sa akin, you guys know na meron akong online business, of course, na gino-grow ko in social media platforms. Kaya po ako nagpo-post, nagla-live, because I wanted to share this amazing opportunity to you guys. So, ang success po ay hindi lang natin nakukuha yan by working hard or working endless hours. Hindi lang. There are smarter ways to earn na hindi natin ipagpalit ang ating kalusugan at ang ating time for our family to earn income. So, ito po yung ginagawa ko. Right? So, and this weekend, may kami doon sa group ko, kasi of course iba-iba ang grupo, but in my group, we had two ladies na talagang super successful sila dito sa business namin. Both of them I know that millionaire na sila. Both of them are receiving monthly fixed income. So yes po, ang business po namin ay dadating kami sa point na magre-receive kami ng monthly fixed income, which is pwede naming ipamana sa aming mga anak. So that's why we always say we are not just building a mere business here. Hindi lang ito pipitsugin na business. We are building legacy here. Right? So, yung isa, she mentioned na monthly na nare-receive niya, I believe it was, if I remember it correctly, $40,000. Monthly lang yun, fixed income lang yun, wala pang kasama doon ang komisyon. Right? So, this is the beautiful part of our business. You work hard at the beginning. You work hard on the foundation, building the foundation of your business. And then, pagdating mo dun sa point na magre-receive ka na ng passive income, magre-receive ka na ng monthly fixed income, so pa-easy-easy ka na lang, babakasyon-bakasyon ka na lang. Right? So that is the beautiful part, which is hindi natin makukuha by working hard with a company. It doesn't matter kung gaano pa kaganda ang tawag nun, ang pay mo doon sa company mo, sa company na pinagtatrabahuan mo. At the end of the day, hindi pa rin ikaw ang may call kung magkano ang kikitain mo. May cap yung kikitain mo. Not like na Sa business, kung sarili mo ang negosyo, walang cap ang kikitain mo. You can earn unlimited income. You can grow your business exponentially. Like, super inspired talaga ako. And isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung takeaways ko. Right? So, last Saturday, ang ano namin ay si Coach Michelle doing this business for 8 years, guys. And Coach Katrina, 7 years. And pareho sila na nagre-receive na po ng monthly fixed income. Right? So, of course, sariling boss na sila. Retired early. At ang ginagawa nila is helping their team. So, which is good. So, ito yung talagang super na tawag nun, rewarding. Dahil hindi ka lang nag-grow sa ng business mo, nakakatulong ka rin sa ibang tao. So, which is talagang super rewarding part iyan. And on top of that, nag-grow ka rin every single day. Right? So, yan ako nag-i-enjoy because I am not just building a business. I am growing every single day. Right? So, hindi lang yung pera ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, kung hindi yung personal growth, yung ways mo na you can help people, hindi lang ang family mo, kung hindi lang ang team mo, kung hindi other people din. Right? Because dito kahit hindi kami financially connected, nagtutulungan kami. Hindi ito katulad ng workplace, traditional workplace na merong politics. No. Dito, we help each other to win. Nagtutulungan kami dito, hindi kami yung nag-aagawan. No, hindi ganon. Kaya super sarap pagka nandito ka sa community namin. Oh my God. Hindi mo ito makikita sa workplace mo. It doesn't matter which field you are. Hindi mo ito makikita. Oh my God. Grabe. Yeah. So takeaways ko. First of all, daily habit. Yung thank you sa aking 1 million viewers na yan. So yes, daily habit, yun yung talagang kung paano nila tinitreat ang business nila. That's why they are successful. And I am grateful. Talagang glued ako doon sa meeting namin 2 nights in a row. Because super inspiring talaga yung kanilang sinishare. They treated their business as their baby. Right? It's not just a hobby. They treated their business as their life. Their lives depending on it. And guess what happened? See? They retired early. They're earning passive income. They have their monthly fixed income. So, yun yung kaibhan. Right? They work hard. Sleepless night. Talagang naandyan. But, yan yung sinasabi. Short-term na what do you call that one? Gemaline, thank you for watching. Short-term sacrifices for a long-term goal. So, which is naandyan talaga yan. Okay? So, naandyan yan. Yun. Talagang they treated their business as if their lives depended on it. Right? So, talagang daily, consistent habit. Yan yun. Okay? Treating your business as your life depending on it. Daily, consistent habit. It doesn't matter kung talagang, it doesn't matter kung pagod man sila or hindi. They still give time to their business para mag-grow iyon. Right? Giving time. Because nothing will grow if you don't take time. Think about it. Kung nasa school ka, kung hindi ka mag-study, papasa ka ba? Magmo-move ka ba to the next year? Hindi, di ba? Magmo-move ka ba to the next level? No, hindi. The same way. The same way sa business mo. The same way sa employment mo. Kung hindi mo itatrato na ng maganda ang posisyon mo, magmo-move forward ka ba? No, hindi rin. Mai-stuck ka rin, di ba? Yan yun. And then, the third one, this is big actually, learning, growing, evolving, every single day. Right? Hindi ito yung negosyo na because we work online. Things are changing every single day. Those things that we learned 3 years ago, they are obsolete now. So we have to evolve, right? So learning is a big part. Learning is a big part. Pero kahit saan ka naman if you refuse to learn something new every single day, hindi ka mag-move forward. Kung nasa work ka, if you refuse to learn something new, or if you refuse to take on task of your supervisor, your manager, mapopromote ka ba? No, hindi. Right? So the same concept talaga, the same mindset. Kahit saan ka pa sa mundo, kahit anong field pa ang ginagawa mo, kung wala kang magandang work ethic, kung wala kang magandang discipline sa sarili mo, hindi ka mag-move forward. So it's the same concept dito sa business namin. Right? So that's why they're very successful, because they treated their business as their baby. Doing things every single day, it doesn't matter kung gaano man kapagod sila. So yan yun. Yan yung talagang ingredients para mag-succeed ka. It doesn't matter kung saan ka pa, kung anong field pa ang ginagawa mo, kung nasa work ka or sa negosyo, talagang i-prioritize mo talaga ang growth mo. Dahil hindi ka mag-step up, hindi ka mag-level up kung hindi ka willing na mag-learn ng something different every single day. So the same concept. The difference is that dito, because negosyo namin ito, nobody will take advantage of the learning, the growing, and the mindset. Nobody will take advantage of that but us ourselves. So tingnan mo, Coach Michelle, 8 years in the business, milyonarya. Right? Sa work mo, kahit anong patay-patay na ng katawan mo na pagtatrabaho, 8 years, maging milyonaryo ka ba? No. Hindi siguro, di ba? Magkukolekta ka ba ng monthly passive income and monthly lifetime income na $40,000? No. Hindi ka bibigyan ng employer mo niyan. Dito lang yan. Sa business na ito. Right? So talagang super powerful ang weekend ko, guys. Talagang busy. But it was my own choice. Walang nagdidikta sa akin na okay gawin mo yan. No, it was my own choice. Dahil gusto ko na lumago ang kaalaman ko, gusto ko na mag-grow ako personally at mag-grow din ang business ko, mag-grow ang aking team. So that's why I am investing on myself. Because yan ang goal ko sa sarili ko, sa team ko, sa family ko. Yan ang goal ko. So that's why it's my own choice. Diba? At the end of the day, walang iba na it's good that we are surrounded. It's good to surround ourselves with people that will push us to be a better person. But at the end of the day, kung hindi tayo kikilos, hindi tayo magle-level up, di ba? So yan yun. Coach Katrina, talagang ganun din. Super powerful weekend. Talagang gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung takeaways ko. Talagang yung daily habit mindset natin na hindi natin ipagbaliwala. Kung meron tayong wino-workout na goal natin, gagawin natin yan every single day, consistently. It doesn't matter kung pagod tayo, it doesn't matter kung busy tayo. Thank you sa hearts diyan. It doesn't matter. Consistently means doing it every single day, no matter what. Kung gaano man, isisingit at isisingit mo yan. So, hindi yan talagang naandyan. Kailangan talaga natin is discipline. Self-discipline. Kasi, talagang, tawag nun? Walang ibang gagawa niyan kung hindi tayo din. So, gusto ko lang na i-share sa inyo kung ano yung takeaways ko. So, I hope na na-inspire din kayo. So, yes, first one is talagang yung, ano ba yung sinabi ko? Yung daily habit, yung mindset shift, yung treating our business as our baby, giving time, growing, talagang naandyan yan, surrounding yourself with people na talagang mai-encourage ka, mag-i-encourage sa iyo. And then talagang discipline. Self-discipline is very, very big factor talaga. Kahit saan pa tayo. Right? So yes, so talagang dito lang yan sa business namin. Kaya super enjoy ako na gagawin ang negosyo ko. Super enjoy ako na mag-grow ako every single day because that is my goal. So kung ano man yung goal niyo sa buhay, bigyan niyo ng time dahil hindi yan lalago kung hindi niyo bibigyan ng time. Kung nag-umpisa man kayo sa negosyo na ito, bigyan niyo ng time. Bigyan niyo ng time para lumago ang negosyo niyo. Okay? Bigyan nyo ng time para, tawag nun? At saka talagang disiplina. And disiplina sa sarili. And then, talagang connect with people na ma-inspire kayo. Hindi yung tao na hihilain kayo pababa. Dahil yan, walang idudulot sa'yo. Ayaw noon na mag-level up ka sa kanila. It's okay. Some people, they're okay if you are just leveling up with them. But once they see you na umaangat ka, hihilain ka nun pababa. So, yun yung mga tao na yan ang dapat mong iwasan. Diba? Yan. So, anyhow, yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Super excited ako na i-share yan because I was so inspired and I was like, I learned a lot from both of them. Hindi lang yung personal growth, kung hindi yung mga strategy nila regarding the business. So, which is, I am grateful because yan po ang kagandahan dito sa negosyo namin. As I have mentioned earlier, everyone is happy for you to win. Hindi dito yung selosan, hindi dito walang workplace politics dito, no, wala. So see, Coach Katrina even shared, and even Coach Michelle also shared their strategies kung paano sila nag-succeed, kung paano sila naging milyonaryo, kung paano, all of those things. Talagang kaya talagang blessed ako na nandito ako sa business community na ito, which is nagtutulungan talaga. So yes, so anyhow, I hope na na-inspire ko rin kayo. I hope na gusto ko lang talaga i-share to sa inyo because kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo sa buhay, kung businessman, kung sa employment man, talagang nai-apply natin to in our everyday life. Nai-apply natin ang discipline, dala-dala dapat natin yan kahit saan pa tayo. Right? So anyhow, I hope na-inspire ko kayo, but if you guys would like to know what kind of business that I am doing, what kind of business that is making me get up so excited every single day, so naandyan po sa aking business page ang aking website. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then ang back office na po namin ang magpapadala ng information. Thank you sa thumbs up diyan. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Maraming salamat. So yes, and then our back office will send you the information that you need. So ganun po, kaganda. Yun. So put it in mind. Dito sa business na ito, short-term sacrifice. Mag-sacrifice to learn every single day. Discipline. Show up every single day. And ayan, para pagdating ng later years mo, hayahay ang buhay mo. Look at Coach Mildred. Look at Coach Mary Ann. A lot of people, thousands of people in our business community ang nakapag-retire ng maaga at nagre-receive ng monthly fixed income po dito sa business namin. Dito lang po yan, yes. As I have mentioned earlier, we are building legacy here. Hindi lang ito pipitsugin na negosyo. So anyhow, I hope na-inspire ko kayo today, and enjoy the rest of your Monday. And of course, mamaya another excited training na mag-a-attend din ako. It's regarding social media. So yan po yun ang aming talagang super kami dito. Updated kami palagi at naandyan ang resources. Naandyan, nasa amin lang yun. Tap na lang kami ng tap. We don't even have to pay extra. Yan. Naandyan. Free yan. So nasa sa amin yun kung gusto namin na mag-tap. But I am excited for tonight. Another training, another powerful training na aatinan ko mamaya. But it's my choice because I wanna grow. Right? So that's what it is. Walang nagpupush sa akin. At inspired ako sa community ko. So that is the difference. So anyhow, enjoy the rest of your Monday. Ayan na, napapahaba na naman ako. Super excited ako. See? If I am inspired, I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Talagang walang walang script yan. Talagang super lang, talagang bilis ng aking pick up lang ng pick up. Talagang nandyan yan. Lalabas yan automatic.